It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 81. The graph of f consists of a quarter circle here and two line segments. For x is between -2 and 4 inclusive. The question is to write the interval where f prime is negative. F prime is negative, then function f has to decrease, right? Because f prime is the slope of tangent line. That's the slope, right? So in this graph right here, function f decrease from here to here, right? So the x interval is from 0 to 2. So the answer has to be x is between 0 and 2, right? We should not include 0 or 2 because at 0 it is not differentiable, right? It is not, f prime is not negative, right? At 2 it is not differentiable, so f prime doesn't exist. So x has to be between 0 and 2 exclusive.